Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you new features you can try from Instagram Valentine Edition or Valentine Update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Instagram application and the first one I'm going to show you the new Valentine font and Valentine animation on Instagram story. So I'm going to create a story on Instagram with a random photo. Okay, I'm just going to use this photo and then you can go to the text menu and here you will see two new fonts. The first one is attached and the second one is wave. I don't know, I can't read this font, but let's try the attached one. I'm just going to type in love you and then I'm going to go to the animation and here you will see the heart throat animation and also JD animation. I'm going to use this one. And when you go to the sticker, you will see mention and you can mention your boyfriend or your girlfriend. It's up to you. And the people you mention can create with this template. I'm just going to mention my second account. Okay, once you're done, you can click on your story to share the story with Valentine fonts and Valentine animation. Okay, just like this. And then the next one, guys, I'm going to show you how you can create Valentine notes. So just go to your Instagram direct messages and you can drop a note here. So when you use love, there will be effect, Cupid effect, and I'm going to share it. As you can see, we will get this Cupid effect and the note will be turned into a red color, and when someone click your note, it will make this Cupid effect appear or pop up on your screen. Okay, and I'm going to leave another note. Let's say I love sorry, happy Valentine. Let's try it. Happy Valentine. Let's see whether the effect pop up or not. Oh, it works. So yeah, you can leave a note with happy Valentine or love. Okay guys, and that's all about the new features from the Instagram Valentine edition. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.